You're not going to want to miss the tour of this house. In this house, everything is supersized. And the primary bedroom, it's got something that you've never seen before. This is the Ouray model by Richmond Homes at Sterling Ranch in Littleton. Brand new floor plan. Let's check it out. Right here at the front of the home, we're going to find a home office. Very spacious. If we keep on walking, we come to a formal dining room. Again, nice and big. Looking over this way, we see the stairs leading down to the basement and the stairs leading up. Coat closet we just passed, and then it just opens up into the main living space. Over this way, we find the great room, nice and big, great big sliders looking out onto the deck or patio. And then it opens up here into the kitchen and the dining space. Now, kitchen, check out this island. It is huge. So if you're one of those big island people, you're gonna love this house. There's lots of big things in the house, like I told you. Since we're right over here, let's check out the dining room. Again, sliders leading out onto that covered deck. Space, space, space. Lots of countertop space, cabinet space. More over here, butler's pantry area, and a nice big walk-in pantry. All right, we're gonna take a little hike on down this way past the great room. And down this way is where you're gonna find your entrance in from your garage. We got a couple closets in here, a little mail drop space, and into the powder bath. Now, across from that is where we're going to find a main floor bedroom with an ensuite bathroom. Nice to have a house that has a home office and a main floor bedroom. A lot of times you got to make a choice between the two. Not in this home. That does it for the main floor. We're going to go ahead and head upstairs. So right at the top of the stairs, you walk right up into the loft area. Nice sized loft. And over here, we come to the first secondary bathroom, which is shared between two secondary bedrooms over here. Nice, spacious bedrooms. Linen closet in between. Next secondary bedroom. This one faces the front of the home. Right, coming back out past our stairs, past the loft. We come and find another bedroom. Linen closet on the way. Again, facing the front of the home, and this bedroom does have an ensuite bathroom, closet at the back of the bathroom. Right this way we find a laundry room, linen closet in here. Back that way is the furnace. Remember, I am a Denver Metro Realtor. I specialize in new built home sales. Would love to help you with your new build and a closing cost credit to help you save money. Okay, here's that primary bedroom that I mentioned you don't want to miss. First of all, nice spacious primary bedroom. If we walk this way, we're going to find the bathroom. Huge closet, love it. See, it got me excited. Toilet closet. Little makeup station or something like that. And look at this. Absolutely huge shower with a tub in it. So big I'm echoing. And a single sink vanity. Okay, coming back out into the big bedroom. Everything's big. Look at this. Walk right out until a covered deck up here. Gotta love that. Now, if you notice, I said single sink vanity in the other one. Why would I say that? Because this primary bedroom has 2 bathrooms. Check it out. Another walk-in closet there. Would you like to have your own bedroom? Spouse, that's your bathroom. This one's mine. All right, coming down this way. We're still checking out bedrooms and bathrooms. This one is the final bedroom of the upstairs. And this one also does had a walk-in closet there and its own bathroom. Have you lost count of bedrooms and bathrooms? Okay, that's the second floor. Let's go check out the basement. Yes, it's finished. Welcome to the basement. Now be sure to stay tuned to the end because I'm going to show you the best part of the basement last. First of all, let's come over here where we're going to find a bedroom. And of course the bathroom. And then it opens up into a huge bonus area space. Walkout basements, we got the sliders in there, but check this out over here, guys. This is a lot of room. They got a huge area to set up their little TV space. And then you still got room for, you know, what is this, table hockey, pool, whatever. Okay, this is the best part of the basement. Check out this bar. This is a great bar. This is not just your, you know, second-rate basement bar. Gotta love it. Okay, this house was great, right? If you want to see it, definitely give me a call. Love to meet you out here, see if this is the right home for you. Help you out a little bit with the cost with my closing cost credit. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my home tours. Thanks for joining me and have a super day.